Okay.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Okay.
Okay, June, okay. So let's get it started. So to get it go up, so this stick,
Wow.
the left stick, does it go up and down?
Oh.
It also turns it left
Awesome.
and right.
Yeah.
The other stick makes it go backwards and forwards. Remember I told you about which way it faces, right? So the red lights are in the front, the green lights in the back. Got a good view of it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to pick it up now. I'm going to see how high it can go.
Oh. Oh no.
What's the matter? You don't got to see it of it? It's right above us. It's right above us. I'll take it down again. I'll take it down again. Okay, it's coming down. You see it now? You see it?
No. Oh, there it is. There it is. Wow. This is so awesome. Wow.
I don't have the SD card in it, but it's connected on my phone, so it might still take pictures. I'll see if I can get a picture of you in a second.
Oh.
When it gets low like this, it's affected by breeze. So it's pretty good about staying in spots. But when it gets taken by breeze, you gotta, you
Yeah.
the breeze, right? How it's going to take it up.
Wow. This is awesome.
You want to get closer with it?
No.
No, not right now.
No.
Okay. Well, next time we could do it like in a public park, more room to, you know what I mean? Will be a scary.
First, on YouTube video.
I'm going to take some of my pictures from the way up here.
Yo. Don't.
Look at that.
What's cool? No, bee, go away.
What's the matter with it? Is it a hornet?
No, it's a bee.
Okay.
No, get away from me.
You got a couple. Hold on a sec. Maybe I can get scare them away from
No, get. Look at that. The 12
Don't see the front end.
for YouTuber, the drone. It's so awesome. Wow.
Right on the spot.
Whoa. This is cool. Ow.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yes.